Have you noticed the recent spike in investment sentiment? With a sentiment score of plus 0.31 and momentum at plus 0.32, we're seeing an unusual uptick compared to the historical baseline. This could indicate a significant shift in investor behavior worth your attention. Our API delivers real-time insights, including 17 semantic clusters, that help you understand the underlying narratives driving this sentiment. For instance, you could leverage this data to adjust your strategies in response to changing investor moods, or identify emerging trends before they gain traction. Discover what this surge means for your next move. Dive deeper into your analysis with our comprehensive documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.